Hello students, let us see this question here. A particle is moving along a circular path. The angular velocity, linear velocity, angular acceleration, centripetal acceleration of the particle at any instant are these vectors. Which of the following relation is not correct? So let us see. Option 1, if I see, this is the angular velocity and this is the linear velocity. So since you know the angular velocity is the axial vector, so suppose the particle is rotating like this. Alright. So the velocity vector will be along this direction. So this will be the direction of velocity vector, and the omega is the axial vector. So this will be along the axis. So the axis is like this and the velocity is like this. So obviously these are perpendicular. So this is correct only. So this will be correct. So I have to find which one is not correct. If you talk about option 2, then option 2 omega vector, once again this is the axial vector like this, and the AC is the centripetal acceleration, so that is the linear centripetal acceleration. So that will be along the along this, right along the line of path only, or it will be along the line of motion of the particle. Either it will be positive or negative, but one thing is sure, this is the centripetal acceleration, so this will be along the axis, this will be along the radius of the motion. So once again the AC will be along this direction, alright, and the omega vector, that will be the axial vector, so it will be along the axis. So both are once again perpendicular, so option 2 is also correct. Okay, now we talk about option C. So option C, the omega vector, once again this is the axial vector, so this will be along the axis, and this is the angular acceleration, so this will also be along the axis only, because angular acceleration is also the axial vector. So both will be along the axis only, so they cannot be perpendicular. So option 3 is wrong. Once again, if I talk about option 4 here, then this is the linear velocity and this is the angular acceleration. So angular acceleration is the axial vector, it will be along the axis like this, and the velocity vector is like this, so both are perpendicular. So option 4 is also correct. So the correct answer is option C, which is incorrect. So this I have to find. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.